I'd like to send a great big thank you to Jozef for all the videos and all the paychecks that he does for YouTube. And even though he put shoe polish on my face and made me pay for his makeup, I'd still like to say thank you because he's a great person.
I'm just going to send a big thank you to Joseph for all the great videos and great things in his fridge. By the way, you need new milk.
Beep. Are we rolling?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, cool. I would just like to say he has a great unibrow.
Great, we're in.
In where? What
I
are you
just hacked
doing?
onto Jozef's bank account. What are you doing?
I just drew a picture of him. What do you think? Isn't it great?
Well, it's accurate.
Tommy, you're my eyes and ears.
Dude, I'm right here. People these days.
Will, you're my brains.
So that's how it is.
That never happened.
Okay there, bud?
These go well together.
Bud, you left the fridge open.
People these days.
Joe, just wanna have fun.